Hi all, so welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn about a new concept of rotation in 3D actually. If you remember in 2D rotation, we have covered everything here and the derivation of it. When it comes to the 3D side, it is quite complex. So rotation is not that easy. So we have these three metrics, which is quite important for the rotation part. If you do want to rotate some actor in x-axis, you will use this matrix. Like you will multiply, give me a second, you will multiply the xyz with this x, y, z. Okay. And if you do want to, rotate in the, like for pitch left in the y-axis, you will multiply with this. If you do want to rotate something in z-axis, then you will multiply with this matrix. So here's the question for you. What if you do want to rotate in all the axes? What you will do? We will multiply all these three matrices together, and in the end, we will multiply it with x, y, z. So here will be x, y, and z, and you will multiply them together, and this will give you the rotated vector. So the new xyz which you will get, x dash, y dash, and z dash, this will be the new vector after rotating x in x, y, z axis. So now we will see how we can implement them in our code side. So let's do that. Okay, let me open our rider. I have already created those metrics for you because it's not that easy to create them. So in m vector, I will have one more function. I will do the control D, and instead of m scale, it will be m rotator, m rotate, 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 and vector will remain the same. Alt enter and generate definition. I will just copy the values for you. Okay, perfect. Rotate. Okay, yes. In Unreal actually, so when we are doing the rotation, we need a rotator, not f vector. So f rotator, and we will name it as rotator. Copy, we'll do the paste here. But things will remain the same. Like XYZ in rotator, it will be your pitch, roll, pitch, and yaw. Yes. Okay, so this is the same matrix which you were seeing there. So let me show you. So it in the x-axis, here it was. So it was cos. Here it is cos. It was sine, minus sine. It is minus sine. So everything is remain the same. We are just here we are converting the degrees to the radian because we will apply all the values in the degrees, and everything is remain the same. So the first thing which we need to do is multiply all these three matrices together. So let's do that. So const m rotated matrix. So okay, let me write auto here. So we will multiply x roll into y roll. Sorry, y roll into z roll. So we multiplied these three together. Now we need the location matrix which we do want to multiply. Okay, so we will get our vector, and we need to convert our actor location to the M matrix. We already have that function. So first get actor location. We will convert this location to M vector and then to matrix. So everything is in matrix form now, and we have multiplied them together. So now the new matrix is the rotated matrix. So it will rotate in X direction, Y direction, Z direction, and this will be the new coordinate. Next thing is we just have to set the actor location. So rotated matrix dot to M vector dot to F vector. Okay, I think we have got the correct answer. So let's see if it is working fine or not. So let me open our Unreal. Let me compile. Yes, it is done. So I will use the rotation. So M rotate, and we will rotate in X direction only, just for the testing. Uh, let's do 1. I don't want to use delay, and check if it is working fine or not. So see, this is the X-axis. So I am pointing to X-axis. It is working fine. Yes. If I will do the same in Y, not X, so I will turn to 0. So now it is rotating around Y-axis. So this is also working fine. Now the last thing, the Z-axis. Compile and check. This is working fine. Let's do some fun stuff. We were previously translating and scaling. Let's do these things together. This is looking amazing. Okay, I think you are getting like how we are doing these things together and how they are impacting the like how we can implement uh, like all this functionality, translation, scaling, and rotation behind the wire. These are very important concept when you are learning some gaming engine, and these are very basic things. So you should actually have clear understanding what are the things which you are working behind the bar. So I hope you are learning something here. So let's do one thing actually. Let's try to rotate in all the direction and how it will look. It will give you really amazing rotation. I hope you have seen this rotation somewhere. Just let me know in the comments where you have seen it. So this was it for today. So I will give you a task to learn. So this is about learning curve. So I would request you to look like what is the deadlock situation when we are using general 3D rotation part. Why this general rotation is not good. So in next tutorial we will learn something about quaternion rotation and why is it important. Because in this rotation there is some deadlock situation which we will explain, which I will explain you in the next tutorial. I hope you are getting this series and you are able to learn something out. So do like, do subscribe, and you can also support me on Patreon. Thank you and have a nice day.